Welcome back to Let's Speak Vietnamese. Our lesson today is useful phrases part 2. Before we start the lesson, let me remind you that if you want to self-study at home, you can order our books from us or you can get them at any bookstore in Vietnam. Now let's start the lesson. The first phrase for today is Chúc ngủ ngon. Chúc ngủ ngon means good night, and we have the word ngủ means to sleep. Ngon means tasty. So this one is similar to like have a tasty sleep. Now let's work on the pronunciation. Chúc, oh. With this, you have to remember to make the vowel face with a UC sound. So it's not chúc, it's chúc ngủ. This sound is difficult because of the NG sound. The tip for you is you have to open the mouth first. Try to not say the N, okay? So we say ngủ, not nhủ, okay? Ngủ, ngon. Same tip, NG, open your mouth, don't say the N. Ngon. Together we have chúc ngủ ngon. The second phrase we have is chúc ăn ngon miệng. This one means bon appetit, but you also can shorten it up to chúc ngon miệng. Let's work on the pronunciation. We have úc, chúc, ăn, ngon, yên, miệng, chúc ngon miệng. The third phrase is chúc sức khỏe. This phrase is used when you want to cheers in Vietnamese. If you notice at a bia hơi, people usually say 1, 2, 3, chúc sức khỏe. Let's work on the pronunciation. We have again úc, chúc, double face, chúc, sức. This one is also UC, but there's U with hook and C. So we say ức, sức khỏe, oe, khỏe, chúc sức khỏe. Fourth is đi chơi vui nhé. Đi chơi vui nhé means have fun or have a nice trip. Đi chơi can be used as like to go out or to go play, or is like go on a trip. Pronunciation we have y, đi, ơi, chơi. O with a hook, relax your mouth. It's not chơi, it is ơi, chơi, đi chơi, ui, vui, nhé, đi chơi, vui nhé. Fifth, chúc mừng sinh nhật. Chúc mừng sinh nhật is happy birthday. You have two versions. You have chúc mừng sinh nhật or sinh nhật vui vẻ. Let's work on the pronunciation. We have úc, chúc, mừng. Remember the U with a hook, relax your mouth. Mừng. In, sinh, nhật. A with a hat means it's not at, it is nhật. Chúc mừng sinh nhật or sinh nhật vui vẻ. Ui, vui, vẻ, vui vẻ. The last one we have is chúc mừng năm mới. Again, chúc mừng, you already know how to pronounce, right? Let's work on the pronunciation for năm mới. Năm, ơi, mới. Do you see the O with the hook again? That means you have to relax your mouth. Okay, so one more time we have ơi, mới, năm mới. That's it for the lesson today. If you find this video useful, like and subscribe. Remember to hit the bell button so you don't miss any of our videos in the future. Bye!